In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book in Agoda. If you're getting ready for a trip and want a fast, reliable way to reserve a place to stay, this walkthrough will take you from the home page to a confirmed booking with clear tips to avoid common mistakes. Start by opening the Agoda website. On the home page, you'll see different travel options. For this tutorial, choose hotels so we focus on standard stays. In the main search bar, type your destination. As you type, suggestions will appear. Select the one that matches your city or area to make sure results are accurate. Next, click the date field to bring up the calendar. Pick your check-in and check-out dates. Take a moment to confirm those dates are correct and align with your travel plans, because changing them later can affect price and availability. Then set how many rooms you need and how many guests will stay. Make sure the guest count reflects everyone, including children, since room policies and rates can depend on this. Hit search to see available properties. You'll get a list of hotels with prices, photos, and ratings. Choose one that fits your budget and needs, and click into it to view the details. On the hotel page, review the room types, amenities, and especially the cancellation policy. Check if breakfast is included and whether payment is due now or at the property. When you're ready, click Book on the room type you want. You'll be taken to the booking flow. Select Continue Booking to proceed. Now it's time to enter customer information. Type in the guest's name exactly as it appears on an ID you'll bring to check-in, and include a reliable email so you receive your confirmation and updates. Add any special requests in the notes section, keeping in mind these are subject to availability. Move on to payment information. Enter your card details or select another available payment method shown on the page. Double-check the total price, currency, taxes, and any service fees before you continue. If there's a promo field, this is where you would apply a valid code. Finally, review everything: dates, room type, guest details, and price, and click Book Now. Wait for the confirmation screen and look out for a confirmation email with your booking ID and check-in instructions. Keep that email handy when you travel. If your plan might change, note the free cancellation deadline so you can adjust without fees. That's it. You've successfully booked a hotel on Agoda. Safe travels and enjoy your stay.